Do you have very foggy headlights and are wondering how to get them clean? I have 4 different ways you can get them clean with things you can find around your house. Stay tuned. So the first household item I have is some toothpaste. I also have an avocado and WD-40 and this mysterious yellow fluid. It's in a A&W root beer can, but oh good lord, not sure exactly what it is, but it can help clean up your headlights.
Time for the mysterious yellow fluid. I put on some extra protection to be extra safe for using it. Oh, tore the glove, but that won't stop me. Keep on going.
Here's how they look so far. We have the toothpaste, WD-40. Come on over to the other side where we have the avocado and the special yellow juice. So from the looks of it, honestly, I think the avocado and the WD-40 did the best.
I noticed a lot of scratches in the headlights, so I used some lower grit sandpaper, then the scotch pad to get those scratches out.
Here's the final results. I'm pretty happy the way it turned out. I might have a little extra cleaning on this one. I might open it up and clean the inside, but I'll show you guys how to do that in a different video. My headlights smell pretty good now too. Like, smells like Cali. Oof, oof. Just kidding. Just that one side does. All right, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Catch you guys later. It worked best for me. Pretty happy with the